Hello everyone, my name is Vanshika and welcome to our presentation on the Resume Relevance Checker project. Recruitment is a critical process in every organization, but it is often slow and error prone. Recruiters may receive hundreds or even thousands of resumes for a single job posting, and manually reviewing them takes hours or days. Mistakes can happen, qualified candidates might be overlooked, or irrelevant ones may get through. Our project, the Resume Relevance Checker, aims to solve this problem. It automatically evaluates resumes against job descriptions and provides a relevance score, helping recruiters save time, reduce errors, and make better hiring decisions. Today, we will show the project structure, how it works, and the result it produces. Before we dive into the project, let me introduce our team, Innoverse. We have Tushar Mukesh Sharma and myself, Vanshika Verma. We collaborated closely to create a system that is modular, scalable, and user friendly. Working together taught us not only technical skills but also how to manage a team project efficiently. Now, the main problem we are addressing is the inefficiency of manual resume screening. Recruiters often have to sit through hundreds of resumes comparing each against the job description. This process is time consuming as it takes hours to review a batch of resumes. Error prone, human reviewers may overlook important skills or experience, and not scalable as companies grow. The volume of resume increases, making manual screening impossible. For example, consider a job posting for a software developer. The recruiter might receive 500 resumes. Manually checking each resume for Python, Java, SQL, and relevant experience can take days. Our project automates this, allowing a recruiter to focus only on the most relevant candidate. Our solution, the Resume Relevance Checker, uses natural language processing (NLP) and semantic research to automatically evaluate resume. Here is the project structure we have taken from GitHub of our code, showing the main components: front end, which allows user to upload resumes and job description, view similarity scores, and interact with the result. The backend handles text extraction, embedding generation, and semantic search. User utilities and helpers manage file storage and ensure smooth processing. We have also included screenshots from GitHub of our code. Due to the length of the code, we have limited the screenshots to only the important parts, highlighting the key functions and logic of the code. This modular structure ensures easy maintenance and scalability for future improvement. Now we are having front-end user interface, which is going to contain two folders, that is app.py and folders, that is pages. App.py is the entry point for the Streamlit web app, which handles navigation between different pages, that is to resume, uploading of JD and results. It is also it also calls backend services and displays results. The next we are having is backend, which is the core processing and logic, and it consists of four folders. First is backend.py. The backend.py act as a bridge between front end and model logic. It loads resumes and JDs, extract text, send to vector semantic search modules, and returns similarity scores to front end. The next we are having is vector stored py, which stores and manages embeddings. Embeddings, which are numerical representation of text. Vector store also handles queries like find resumes closest to this job description. The next we are having semantic search py, coming under also the backend part. It performs cosine similarity between embeddings of resumes and job description. It has score of matching engine. The embedding service.py is the brain of the project. It generates embeddings using NLP models. models like Hugging Face or OpenAI. It also converts text into vectors so that they can be compared mathematically. Next, we are having utilities and helpers. It consists of three files under it, that is database, config, and requirements. The database.py is for storing uploaded resumes, JDs in a structured format. It could be SQL or JSON depending on config. The config.py stores configuration values, which are paths, API keys, thresholds, etc. Config.py is easy way to tweak settings without touching core code. Requirements.txt have all dependencies like Streamlit, sklearn, PyPDF, documents, and it is needed to run the project anywhere. Next we are having is the proposed statement flow. The workflow of our project is straightforward but very effective. The first is upload resume and job descriptions. Users can upload multiple files in PDF or document format. The next is backend Flask, which receives and stores submission. The database storage will organize the resumes, job descriptions, and other files. The next we are having is embedding service, which will in which each resume and job description is converted into embeddings, which are numerical representation of text. This allows the computer to understand the content in a way that is comparable mathematically. Vector database matches resumes to job criteria, in which also semantic search is there. That is, the embeddings are compared using cosine similarity to determine how closely each resume matches the job description. Then result scoring are displayed on dashboard for recruiters, and then there will be output. The front end shows similarity scores, ranking resumes from most to least relevant. For example, if resume A mentions Python, SQL, and Excel, and the job description requires Python and SQL, resume A will get higher similarity score than resume B, which only mentions SQL, which only mentions Excel. Next, our project uses the following technologies: Streamlit as a front end, Flask as a back end. We also use Python as a main programming language, PyPDF2 and Python document for extracting text from PDF and Word documents. Embedding service was used to convert text into numerical vectors. Our code was deployed using the Streamlit Cloud Compatible. We choose this tech stack because it combines ease of use, flexibility, and powerful NLP capabilities, allowing us to process large number of resume quickly and efficiently. Next, we are having output or Streamlit screenshots. We have put it here so user can view similarity scores for each resume. The interface highlight key matching skills, making it easy to see why a resume scored high or low. This helps recruiters focus only on the most relevant candidate. For example, resume A scored 0.87 for a data analyst job because it matched Python and SQL skills, whereas resume B scored 0.65 because it only partially matched the required skills, like only SQL or only Python. Even though the interface is simple, it is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even non-technical users can operate it without any difficulty. Here we are having the code. The first page show automated resume relevance check system. Next we are having result dashboard. Then we also have resume relevance analysis. Then job description upload, which is going to consist of company name, job title, location, key skills required, and other things. Now, during development, we faced several challenges. For example, there are different resume formats. While hiring processes, there are different resume formats like PDF, Word document, or poorly formatted files sometimes. The solution is we used PyPDF2 and Python Python document to reliably extract text. The second to several changes faced are large number of resumes, which is processing hundreds of resume could slow down the system. For this solution, we stored embeddings efficiently and used semantic search to compare them quickly. Third, several challenge which we have is matching accuracy to ensure that resumes are correctly ranked based on the skills. For this solution, we used cosine similarity and fine-tuned the thresholds to improve relevance scoring. These solutions ensures that the system can run smoothly and produces accurate results. These all output were given by the Streamlit deployment as the code has been successfully deployed in the Streamlit. Next, we are having future scope. For future improvements, we plan to integrate the tools with existing ATS system for easier adoption, support multiple language so companies can use it globally, use more advanced NLP models to improve accuracy in understanding skills and experience, add a real-time dashboard for recruiters to track and manage applications more efficiently. These improvements can make our resume relevance checker more robust, scalable, and useful in real world recruitment scenarios. In conclusion, our resume relevance checker simplifies the recruitment process by automatically matching resumes with job description. This saves time, reduces human errors, and allows recruiters to focus on the most qualified candidates. We believe that with further enhancements, this project can be a valuable tool for companies of any size, making hiring faster, smarter, and more efficient. Also, the resumes and JDs were given by the team as samples, and the code was highly based upon that only. Ultimately, our project is a step towards smarter, faster, and more efficient recruitment, ensuring that both companies and candidates benefits from a streamlined hiring process. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope you now have a clear understanding of how the resume relevance checker works and how it can make recruitment faster, smarter, and more accurate. This project was not just about coding. It was about solving a real world problem and creating something that can genuinely help recruiters and job seekers alike. We are excited about the future improvements we can make and hope this project inspires more innovations in automating and improving the hiring process. Looking ahead, there are many exciting opportunities for improvement, integrating with existing applicant tracking system, supporting multiple languages, using more advanced AI models, and adding real-time dashboards for recruiters. Ultimately, our goal with the resume relevance checker is to bridge the gap between technology and recruitment, saving time, improving accuracy, and helping companies find the right talent faster. We are proud of what we have achieved and are excited about the potential impact this project can have.